Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. In this video, I will demonstrate how to integrate Crowdin and Sommercetools. Watch to learn how to set up this integration and take advantage of its features. By integrating Crowdin and Sommercetools, you can easily translate your categories, product types, and products using Crowdin. Just upload your content types for translation and then download the translated versions back to Sommercetools within a few clicks. This integration makes it quick and easy to localize your content and reach a wider audience. Let me demonstrate how the integration works. To integrate Crowdin and Sommercetools, you will need to have a Crowdin Enterprise account or a Crowdin.com account, as well as an existing Crowdin project. These are the prerequisites for setting up this integration. First, we will install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, let's type in Sommercetools. Click Install. To start the integration process, we go to our Crowdin project. Click Integrations. In the list of available apps, let's find Sommercetools. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with Sommercetools. For that, we need an API URL, client ID, and secret. So let's switch to Sommercetools to get this information. We go to Settings, Developer Settings, API Clients, create new API client. You need to name it and select scopes. You can do it manually or via template. Now copy the credentials and paste them into our integration form. Click Login with Sommercetools. Now we're on the integration screen. On the right are all my categories, product types, and products in Sommercetools, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. But before requesting the translation for your content, you should configure languages in your Sommercetools project settings. So we move back to Sommercetools, go to Project Settings. In the International tab, you can add the languages that you need. After that, go back to the integration page, click Settings. Here you need to specify the source and target languages codes. To upload content to Crowdin for translation, I simply select it on the Sommercetools side and click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content, or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. Let's check how my content appears to translators. A manager wouldn't typically visit this page very often. I just wanted to show you that Crowdin tries to provide as much contextual information to translators as possible. This is my product in the Crowdin editor, rendered as accurately as possible. When the translations are ready to synchronize the translated versions of my product back, simply select them and click Sync to Sommercetools. Now let's return to Sommercetools to check out our translated product. Click Show All Languages. So here is my product translated to German and French. It looks pretty good. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and Sommercetools, but there are many more features to explore, such as automatic synchronization. Crowdin offers a wide range of tools and features to help you efficiently translate your content into multiple languages. To learn more and start a free trial, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.